Good morning, this is David Talbot. I'm CTO of WorkMovr. I'd like to introduce you to our Caspio Starter Kit. And we found that many of our customers were using a lot of the similar sorts of ideas. And so we took advantage of Caspio's real flexibility to put together a fully operational configuration that does much of what Caspio customers of ours have wanted to do. And we can install it on day one. So day one, you get a fully operational Caspio configuration that does much of what you want to do. And then you can concentrate with us on the customization, adding fields and whatever. So we give, we have basic entities, comments, documents, inventory, bookkeeping, and you can log in and start customizing immediately. So here's a menu, and it shows the two basic areas. We've got some standard items that most people want. And then we have the abstract items, okay? And this is where Caspio's flexibility comes in, because these are fully programmed components, and we can change them into being invoices, transactions, bulldozers, or whatever, just by changing labels. And so quickly you can then go and add fields to these entities and customize them exactly to what you want. So here's an example. The entities are properly programmed, everything like that. We have comments, documents, folder tabs, everything. Okay. Addresses, latitude and longitude and time zones. We do a lot of driving distance and people in different time zones. Really useful. And it all comes with. We have comments in all our entities, which is very useful, and all the different document types, PDFs, Words, Excels, videos, and all of these come with viewers so that you can, merge and manipulate these images and view them with ease. Inventory. Not everyone needs inventory, but a lot of people need inventory just a little bit, perhaps to link to a shopping cart, or they have a simple inventory. But we also extended this quite a lot to have bill of materials and everything else. But it has all the basic inventory items that you would need for a fairly fully developed skeleton. Okay? So I call it a skeleton, but it's fairly fully developed. And along with inventory comes purchase orders and work orders come with. Okay? Then we have a ticket tracking system. We call it tasks and reminders. And this allows you to send tasks to people or roles, and they have an inbox, and you can see that your tasks are checked off. So overall, we found this to be really successful. It saves us a lot of programming work and saves you a lot of time. And you can see the programs on the day one, and then you can see what new fields you need to add, little adjustments, label changes, whatever, to get you operational as soon as possible. So thank you very much.